is a sculpting bodysuit. So aesthetic. It's giving luxury, to be honest. Genius product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia, and firstly, I am sorry for not showing my face more often in long form videos, but I promise that I will get better. 9 months ago, I posted a video where I was actually showing you guys 24 things that I'm loving in 2024, and now that we are halfway through 2025, there are new favorites, new things that have actually made my life better. So I thought, let's do an updated version. I'm gonna make sure to tag everything below, also leave links in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe below if you haven't already. Also follow me on my Instagram, and without further ado, let's just get started. So category 1 is fashion, and I have this very tiny bodysuit from H&M. It looks very tiny, but it literally stretches as per your body, and this is a sculpting bodysuit. So for bodycon dresses, this comes very handy. Here's an honest comparison with and without this, and you let me know if you actually see the difference. Next is actually from a friend's brand, Intreccio by Ashi Adani, and their first ever launch was customized bathrobes. I got my name right here with this very cute pink bow print, and this is the softest bathrobe ever. Plus, it absorbs water so quickly. Lastly, in the fashion category, I have this handbag from an Instagram store called Bags by Navs. This is so soft. I love the material. I mean, it's giving luxury, to be honest. It's a tiny bag, but it also comes with like a shoulder strap, good enough space. रोज के आने जाने के लिए I have used this so much. Then are basically these pins. So अगर आपकी jeans आपको lose हो रही है, you can use these to tighten it. You can also use this for your shirts to actually give that cinched look, and it also looks pretty stylish. We are officially entering the beauty category, and I really want to give a shout out to the vitamin C serum of the year. This is Plum's newest 10% vitamin C plus barrier boosting serum that I religiously used for a month, and I realized how it did not irritate my skin, which is very unusual for a vitamin C serum to do. In fact, this literally strengthened my barrier and gave me that glow, reduced hyperpigmentation, and also brightened my skin. I was going out without makeup. This is what the serum did to me. और इससे मुझे याद है that it is also Plum's 11th birthday right now. I have been associated with this brand since it was 4. It's very close to me, and what I love about them is that ये लोग सिर्फ products launch नहीं करते, customer feedback को लेके अपने products को बार-बार improve करते रहते हैं. And you guys, what if I tell you that you could get a chance to go to Disneyland Hong Kong? Yes, you heard it right, because Plum की ना 11th birthday sale चल रही है, which is the biggest sale they do once a year, and they have crazy offers running on, starting with buy 2 get 2 offer, plus you get mini freebies and also merch.